Good morning, good evening, good night, and good afternoon. Welcome to my channel, Crypto Crex. My name is Wiki. Every day on this channel, I give you update, news, and analysis, and whatever is going on in the crypto world, we are on it. Guys, right now, I just want to give you this update on Bitcoin. First of all, if you have not checked out my 4 videos, which lately I've been doing on Bitcoin, the reason I've been doing a lot of videos on Bitcoin is obvious. Bitcoin is controlling the market right now and is down. And when Bitcoin is down, we just leave all the old coins and focus on the mother so that we can get back on track. Because if the mother is happy, the whole family will be happy. And Bitcoin is the mother of cryptocurrency. So if you have not watched my previous videos, please, I highly recommend you watch it. If you haven't understand it, watch it again. And please guys, watch all my videos till the end. I always have the full message. If you are watching half of my videos and leaving it for the half, guys, you are missing out on key information, and that's only going to lose you money. I am making money, and I'm only telling you all of this so that you can also share and make money as well at the same time while I'm doing so, and so that you don't need to go and use your brain in these things. You continue to use your brain in what you are good at, and you can pick my brains to get ahead of the game. And if you have anything to say, please always feedback as well in comments. Share the video with all your friends and family so that we can just become a bigger community. The bigger we are, the bigger we have our voice, and we can win over in anything. So guys, right now in Bitcoin, it's being manipulated, and we have clearly seen it. And I would like to show you and give you an evidence on how things are being manipulated, what kind of manipulations are there in the market, and most importantly, how can you save yourself from manipulation, and how the more knowledge you have, the more less you will panic. So first of all, guys, in the last bull runs of Bitcoin from 2013 to 2017 and this right now which we are in, we have every single time, especially in the last bull runs, every time we had a big movement in Bitcoin, within 60 to 90 days, we had a correction, a massive correction from 30%, 40%, even up to 80% down correction we have had in 2013, and then 40 to 50% corrections we have had in 2017. And that was almost every 60 to 90 days, Bitcoin will fall down and then recorrect and then go back up. This bull cycle, we haven't had a big correction for so long. I think it's been almost nearly 3 times more that we haven't had a correction. I think we haven't had a correction for like nearly 200 days, and we have been just going up and up and up and up and up. And guys, if it was magic, everybody will be making money. So this is not magic. Everybody, you guys are, a lot of people who are watching this video right now, they got into crypto because they saw and they hear the crypto market going up. They probably had no clue what is crypto, but when they see the hype, they got into it. So see, there was a big hype going on for a long time. And when this correction came, it was just a late correction. It was meant to come. It was supposed to come. It was coming late. A lot of people start thinking, oh, because the institutions are putting their money behind Bitcoin right now, so it's okay, it's not gonna drop to those levels. It is gonna drop to those levels. When institutions are in the game, then you need to know that you are out of the game in many ways, because you are not controlling the market anymore. So either you have to keep on watching, you need to know the knowledge not about crypto, you need to know the knowledge of what institutions are, what are the financial markets doing. If Citibank, HSBC, hedge funds, venture capital, billionaires, if they are investing into it, why they are investing into it, what's their agenda. So you need to know a lot more information than just what is cryptocurrency. If you are investing in cryptocurrency these days, you need to know the habits of the stock market. You need to know the financial market in general. You need to know the world economies, the government economies, what the dollar is doing, the forex. There is a lot of information which you need, and then you have to combine together, analyze it, and then present it. This is exactly what I'm doing. I'm not myself. I have my whole team and myself and my experience, and I've chosen the right people for the job so that we can get you the perfect information. Nothing is perfect, but near perfect information to you guys so that you can continue to make money. So this has been happening, okay, and we should be happy that we had this correction, because we needed this correction. And this correction, by all means, wasn't a bad correction, to be honest. We didn't see the decline going way down. We probably had a 50%, nearly 60% correction, which was exactly needed. And you know, guys, a lot of people jumped into the Bitcoin wagon when they had no idea. And seriously, that's what I say, whenever you are investing something, have some knowledge, because when people jump into something without having the knowledge and the hype, that's where they lose money. Bitcoin, a lot of people invested. institutions, they pumped up the whole price so that a lot of people can invest, and then they start declining the market. When you decline the market, what happens? People who are not strong enough, all the weak hands who have not power to hold the Bitcoin, all the weak people, weak minds, for example, people who had no clue, no knowledge about Bitcoin, but they still invested into it, they start coming out. And you know what? They deserve to come out. They invested money in what they don't know about. Then they invested money in the hype rather than they waited for the dip because they saw everybody else. These probably were the guys who were watching crypto last bull cycle. They didn't invest. Before that, they didn't invest. Even this time, they could have invested in 2020 and quadruple their money. Did not invest, but they start investing when Bitcoin hit 50K. They deserve. I don't want anybody to lose money, but people who start investing in 50K, they should not be expecting profits for at least 6 months, and the most they should be doing is double. So they should not be like coming, but they invested in 50K, Bitcoin fall to 30K, they come out. They come out at 45, they come out at 48. This is the weak hands. We don't want. That's called a correction. That's why we say it's not a decline. Correction means all the key people, all the invested people, all the genuine investors, whether they invest $1 or $1 billion, they stay in the market because they know exactly what's going on, and they become the Bitcoin community, the crypto community. People who have no idea, they have come out. A lot of people have come out because of this bull cycle, bearish cycle which we had in the last 1 week. A lot of people call me and they were like, I'm selling my crypto, you were wrong, man, this and that. And I'm like, guys, hold. Few of my friends, my own brother, my own family, they were calling me, and I was telling what I'm telling you, I've been telling my own family. I've been telling my dad, my mom, my brother, my cousins, my friends, everybody the same thing, because you guys are my family. I don't take you any different. And I was telling people, don't sell. Few of the people I said, guys, if you are worried about losses, I will cover your losses because this is how sure I am. And look, the market has gone up. I have not got any magic, but for the 4th video on Bitcoin, every day I was like, guys, hold. Right now, the best thing you can do is hold. That's what you can do because the price is going up. You could clearly see the manipulation. And you know how they manipulate? They manipulate by playing with your fear of selling things, your fear of panicking. Of all these billionaires, all these institutions, they hook up with these big media companies, and now we have these media companies in crypto as well. CoinDesk, Cointelegraph, these are big manipulators. These are not just media and news companies. BitNews, for example, these are big manipulators. And these guys, they get a call from the institution or a rich guy who says, listen guys, we need to start bringing the price down because we are about to bring in $5 billion in the market, and we surely don't want to buy Bitcoin at 40 or 60K. We want to buy Bitcoin at 30K or whatever the minimum you can get. And then they analyze the market at how many weak hands are there, because they have all the data of what wallets you have bought, where the money is going, even though it's anonymous, but they can set up a personality of a wallet by just seeing the transactions rate. So they do that, and then once they do that, they can know exactly how many weak hands, how many people invested at what price, what are the traders doing, and then they start bringing the price down. How they bring the price down? They would put an article out. Some major company, CoinDesk, Telegraph, or any of the big players, they will put articles out, and then they will pay a lot of these paid journalists so that they can come and start commenting on that article in a negative way. And then they start having people on social media. They have influencers on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram who are actually playing as influencers to dump and pump the market. They're professionally. So then they play, and then when you guys go into Facebook, TV, anywhere, you're seeing all these bad news and you're panicking and you're like, oh, I want to sell. But if you knew the numbers, if you knew the technicals, you would be chilling, you would be calm. I was calm. People who called me, I was laughing. I was buying more, guys. I was buying more. So this is just an indication. Hopefully, I think it was good that we went through this tough time together as a Wiki crew, so that we come out at the, this is not, obviously, I'm not also saying that this is the end. Bitcoin is still in dark waters till it surpassed 45K. Then I will start watching some parabolic moves. We are still in dark waters, but we are still looking bullish. We are still in the bull run, that's for sure. And if we wouldn't have gone through this hard time, we would not have created this bonding. A lot of people who now we have gone through this hard time, and hopefully we come out of it as, winners and profitable people. we will build up the trust between us. And I hope you trust me now more when I was saying, guys, hold your Bitcoin. Trust me, I will tell you when to buy and when to sell according to my knowledge. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, but all I know is research and technicals. I have not studied finance in my whole life, like as an accountant or what's happening with the charts and everything. I've self-taught myself in the last 1 or 2 years so that I can tell you what I can do. I've self-taught myself a lot of things. I've self-taught myself how to make websites, graphic designing, all of these things. I know a lot of things which I've just self-taught myself. So even I drive a car. I do street racing. I've been doing street racing for a long time. I've grown up in a few other countries where cars are cheap and petrol is cheap and roads are wide. I'm talking about Middle East, and that's where I've been doing a lot of street racing. So all the things I've done which is extraordinary or extra curriculum is all self-taught in my life. So I'm a big believer that we all have a mind. If we put in the right place, we get the knowledge and we get the practicality of it. It's easy to get the skill. So this is how they manipulate the market. Then people start selling, the fear factor goes up and all the weak hands comes out. And what happens then when the price is at the right place? They buy. There is a chart I was watching exactly when they were like selling. I will show you. The chart is not right now in front of me, otherwise I would have shown you it right now. It was exactly pointing out that the Bitcoin price was going up and up and up, and then all these whale wallets, they start dumping the price, and then as soon as they dump the price, after a few days the price start coming down because the article must have kicked in and all the paid journalists, they must have come on the wagon. And you need to understand there's a lot of people in crypto right now who are just making money from crypto by making an hype. They have not invested in crypto, they have no clue what's going on, they don't even have money to invest into crypto, but they are making money by being with these people so they can create a hype. And once the hype is created, they get their money from those rich people or the commission or whatever they are getting so that they can manipulate the market, and then they come out of it. Because if they really invested their own money, they wouldn't be manipulating the market to bring it down. Otherwise, they will be the one losing money. So, and there is easy people. There is a lot of writers and journalists out there who can easily be bought, because journalism, especially in crypto and in many, I think in any sector, it's not a highly paid job. There's a lot of journalists out there who are just struggling to pay their rent, pay their mortgage, pay their house, pay their everyday normal expense. So they get bought over, unfortunately. Then they start writing all these topics, which bring the price down. And guys, just stick to what you know. If not, keep watching my videos fully till the end. Share it with other people so that I get motivated to make it more. If you can see, I've tried to increase the frequency of my videos just for you guys. I'm right now sitting, I'm supposed to go into a meeting, I'm supposed to do other things. I can be right now sitting with my family and my friends, but I'm taking time out so that I can give you the knowledge, you the information, because I believe Lord will give this good deeds back to me in any shape or form in the future, if I can help as much people right now. And if we can grow as a community, that would be lovely. Soon we're going to have a meetup in London as well, so if you guys are looking for the meetup, please put the comments in, put your address, or sorry, put your name and your interest in the comment box so I can know exactly how many people are interested to come, and then I can arrange a meeting in London where we can just meet face to face, what's going on in a safe manner, so that we can discuss crypto and get to know each other as well, and make our crew a bit more stronger. Refreshments, food, all will be provided as well. So just put your name in the comment box if you are able to come, so I can calculate, and I will also be marketing the full dates and times very soon when things allow us to fully start meeting, probably next month. So guys, thank you for watching. I hope you like, and if you like, please share, please hit the like button, please subscribe, and mainly, all you can do for me in return is remember me in your good wishes, and please share this video on your socials. This is the least you can do. If you are proud, if you are part of the Wiki crew, share this video on your Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat. Share the link with your WhatsApp friends so that they can come and look. The more we can do that, the more we can be significant. Our voice will become better and bigger in the market. And if you like my analysis, please put the comments. If you have any question, put it in the comments. I will personally go through myself and look into it and let you know any answers I have available. Thank you for watching my channel. I hope you keep enjoying. Keep an eye for more videos to come, and I'll see you very soon. Adios.